In today's video, we're going to make our own cold and cough roller bottles and learn why you need to know how to make this fantastic do-it-yourself product for your home. Please like, share, and subscribe. These recipes are made up of all natural ingredients. They support the immune system and body in fighting against those pesky cold season viruses. All right, let's get to it. Recipe number 1. 6 drops of lemon essential oil, 6 drops of lavender essential oil, 6 drops of peppermint essential oil, 6 drops of eucalyptus essential oil. Recipe number 2. 6 drops of peppermint essential oil, 6 drops of tea tree essential oil, 6 drops of thyme essential oil, 6 drops of eucalyptus essential oil. Recipe number 3. 8 drops of frankincense essential oil, 8 drops of eucalyptus essential oil, 8 drops of rosemary essential oil. These oils possess antioxidant, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. Most are soothing and support the body against inflammation and boost the immune system. First, we need 1 10 milliliter glass roller bottle, 9 milliliters of fractionated coconut oil. Coconut oil is a deep moisturizer and absorbs quickly. It's an antioxidant and is antifungal. First, add your desired essential oil combination to bottle. Then, add coconut oil. Place roller bottle and lid on bottle and shake well. Roll on backs of ears, neck, and under triceps. It's just that easy. Here's the recipe if you'd like a screenshot. Thanks for watching, and remember, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell for more wellness content at The Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.